Hi everyone, welcome to GK Plus. Today we are going to discuss all shift GK questions of SSC CHSL 2021 held at April 12 and 13th of 2021. So let's get started. Moving to first question. Who is the youngest mayor in India? Answer Arya Rajendran. Arya Rajendran, the youngest mayor in the country. The 21-year-old was recently elected as the mayor of Trivandrum Corporation, the largest urban body in Kerala. Moving to second question. PASEX is a military exercise between India and answer Russia. Here PASEX means passage exercise. PASEX means passage exercise. It's a bilateral military exercise. Indian Navy undertook a passage exercise with Russian Navy in the Eastern Indian Ocean on December 4, 2020, a 2-day passage exercise. What is the aim of these type exercises? It is to ensure that the navies are able to communicate and cooperate in the times of war. Recently, Indian Navy undertook 2 passage exercises, one with Royal Bahrain Naval Force and other with US. Indian Navy on 18th March 2021 undertook passage exercise with Royal Bahrain Naval in the Persian Gulf under the Operation Sankalp. Royal Bahrain Naval Force is Corvette Al Muharrak. India and US conducted a 2-day naval exercise in Eastern Indian Ocean region. Moving to third question. When did the first roundtable conference held? Answer 12 November 1930. First roundtable conference held in London. 3 roundtable conferences were organized by the British government and Indian political leaders to discuss constitutional reforms in India. These started in November 1930 and ended in December 1932. Here some important points about roundtable conferences. All the 3 roundtable conferences were attended by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Gandhiji attended the second roundtable conference held in London, 7th September 1931 to 1st December 1931. Moving to fourth question. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer Sunil Arora. Here we should know some questions. Article related to Election Commission. Which is the article related to Election Commission? It's an important one. Article 324 is related to Election Commission. Second question. Who appoints Election Commissioner? President appoints Election Commissioner. Moving to fifth question. Cartography is the study of answer study of maps. Cartography is the study of maps. Who is cartographer? Cartographer is a person who creates maps. A person who creates map. Moving to sixth question. Which element gives green color to firecrackers? Which element gives green color to firecrackers? Answer barium. Seventh question. How many seats can the President of India nominate to the Rajya Sabha? Answer 12. Eighth question. Where is the headquarters of AICF? That is All India Chess Federation. Answer, Chennai. Ninth question. The deficiency of vitamin A causes. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Here we have given vitamins and the disease caused by the deficiency of their vitamins. Here vitamin A, scientific name retinol, causes deficiency causes night blindness and xerophthalmia. Vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, the deficiency creates the disease scurvy. Vitamin D, that is calciferol, the deficiency causes rickets. Vitamin B1, thiamine, deficiency causes disease beriberi. Vitamin B12, that is cyanocobalamin, deficiency causes anemia. Please note, it's an important point. Moving to 10th question. Who is the present Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Answer, Tirath Singh Rawat. Who is the present Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Tirath Singh Rawat. Here, you should update current Chief Ministers and government of all states, because it is very important for SSC CGL questions. Here, recently election has conducted in 5 states. Which are they? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam, Bengal. You should update the CM of these states. Here we have given current Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. It's a recent update. Who is the current Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? M.K. Stalin. M.K. Stalin. M.K. Stalin is the current Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Who is the current Chief Minister of Karnataka? B.S. Yediyurappa. B.S. Yediyurappa. Current Chief Minister of Assam? Himanta Biswa Sharma. Himanta Biswa Sharma. Chief Minister of Bengal? Mamata Banerjee. Chief Minister of Kerala? Pinarayi Vijayan. Moving to 11th question. Which substance gives yellow color to urine? Answer, urochrome. Here, what is kidney stone? Kidney stone is calcium oxalate. What is calcium oxalate? Moving to 12th question. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank, that is ADB. Answer, Philippines. Manila in Philippines. 13th question. Hoysaleshwara temple is situated in which state? Hoysaleshwara temple is situated in which state? Answer, Karnataka. In previous CGL exam, they asked Shabarimala temple situated in which state? Which state Shabarimala temple is situated? Answer, Kerala. Where is Konark temple situated? That is Sun temple in Odisha. 14th question. Who is the president of FICCI? That is Federation of Indian Members of Commerce and Industry. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Answer, Uday Shankar. It's a recent current affair. Strictly study the current affairs of 3 months before the exam. Moving to 15th question. Who won the Senior Billiards National Championship? Who won the Senior Billiards National Championship? Answer, Pankaj Advani. Pankaj Advani won the Senior Billiards National Championship? 16th question. Who is the highest paid male athlete? Who is the highest paid male athlete? Answer: Roger Federer. Who is Roger Federer? Roger Federer is a tennis player. Second place is for Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, and third place for Lionel Messi. First place Roger Federer, tennis player. Second place Cristiano Ronaldo, football player. Third place Lionel Messi is also a football player. Here you should understand who is the highest paid female athlete. Who is the highest paid female athlete? Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka is the highest paid female athlete. She is a tennis player of Japan. 17th question. Which Mughal ruler is known as Naib-i-Khudai? Naib-i-Khudai means shadow of God. Answer: Balban. Balban was the 9th Sultan of Mamluk dynasty of Delhi. It was a slave dynasty. Who is the founder of slave dynasty? It's an important point. Qutb bin Aibak. Qutb bin Aibak is the founder of slave dynasty. Qutb bin Aibak, a slave of Muhammad Ghori. He was a slave of Muhammad Ghori, who became the ruler after the death of his master. Razia Sultana. Here we should know this point also. Razia Sultana was the first Muslim female ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Who is the first Muslim female ruler? Razia Sultana belongs to slave dynasty. Razia Sultana belongs to slave dynasty. Razia Sultana was the first Muslim female ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Moving to 18th question. Altimeter is used to measure. Altimeter is used to measure. Answer: height. Here there is a shortcut. Here we can easily remember altimeter for altitude. Altimeter for altitude. What is the meaning of altitude? Altitude means heights. Okay. Altimeter for altitude. Okay. 19th question. Who won the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award? ICC Spirit of Cricket Award. Answer: Virat Kohli, the Indian cricket team captain. Here we have a recent update from ICC ODI rankings of batsmen. Babar Azam of Pakistan breaks Kohli's record. Who break Kohli's record? Babar Azam of Pakistan. Babar Azam of Pakistan become fastest to score 2000 runs in T20 format. Okay, Babar Azam of Pakistan breaks Kohli's record. Become fastest to score 2000 runs in 2020 format. And according to ICC player rank for ODI batsman, Babar Azam is the first. Who is the first man? Babar Azam. Virat Kohli in the second place now. 20th question. In which river Baglihar Hydroelectric Project is situated? In which river Baglihar Hydroelectric Project is situated? Answer: Chenab in Jammu and Kashmir. Baglihar Hydroelectric Project, Chenab, Jammu and Kashmir. 21st question. Article 123 is related to. Article 123 is related to power of President to promulgate ordinance during recess Parliament. Power of President to promulgate ordinance during recess Parliament. It's an important point. Article 123 means power of President to promulgate ordinance. Article 123 means ordinance. Okay. This is the article of UPSC. Article related to UPSC. OPSC? Article 315. That is 315. Article 315 related to UPSC. 22nd question. In which national park hot air balloon safari is started? In which national park hot air balloon safari is started? Answer: Bandhavargar National Park. Bandhavargar National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, hot air balloon safari, Bandhavargar National Park, Madhya Pradesh. The hot air balloon safari will allow tourists to enjoy aerial views of tigers, leopards roaming with other wild animals. Okay, which is the tiger state in India? Do you know which is the tiger state in India? That is also Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the tiger state in India. And most number of tigers situated in Madhya Pradesh. Previously, Karnataka was the tiger state of India. But now, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the tiger state in India. 23rd question. Who is the Director General of WHO? That is World Health Organization. Who is the Director General of World Health Organization? Answer: Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Tedros Adhanom. Tedros Adhanom is the Director General of WHO. Tedros Adhanom. 24th question. It's a simple question. Lionel Messi is the football player of. It's a very, very simple question. Lionel Messi is a football player of Argentina. 25th question. Ottawa is the capital of which nation? Ottawa is the capital of which nation? Answer: Canada. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Points regarding Canada. What are the important points regarding Canada? Canada is a North American country. Canada is a North American country. And Canada is the country which has most coastline. Canada is the country which has most coastline. Okay, which is the country with most coastline? Canada. Okay, two important points. Canada is a North American country. Canada is a country which has most coastline. 26th question. Baburnama. Baburnama is written in which language? Baburnama is written in which language? Answer: Chagatai language. Chagatai language or Persian language. Baburnama is written in Chagatai language or Persian language. What is Baburnama? Baburnama is the autobiography of Babur. Baburnama is the autobiography of Babur. 27th question. Who won the Mullak Medal Award 2020? Who won the Mullak Medal Award of 2020? Answer: Ajinkya Rahane. Ajinkya Rahane. Who is Ajinkya Rahane? He is a cricket player of Indian team. 28th question. Who was the leader of 1857 revolt in Lucknow? Who was the leader of 1857 revolt in Lucknow? Answer: Begum Hazrat Mahal. Begum Hazrat Mahal was the leader of 1857 revolt in Lucknow. 1857 revolt is very, very important. Revolt in 1857 is known as First War of Independence. Revolt in 1857 is known as First War of Independence. By who? By V.D. Savarkar. Revolt in 1857 is other name. What is the other name of revolt in 1857? First War of Independence by V.D. Savarkar. Where did it start? Meerut. Okay, where did it start? At Meerut. First martyr of 1857 revolt. Who was the first martyr of 1857 revolt? Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of 1857 revolt. Here, who was the leader in Delhi? Bahadur Shah II. Bahadur Shah II was the leader in Delhi. Okay. Was the leader at Bihar. Kanwar Singh. Kanwar Singh was the leader in Bihar. Begum Hazrat Mahal was the leader of Lucknow. Nana Sahib was the leader of Kanpur. Please note this point. Was the leader in Delhi, Bahadur Shah II, Bihar Kanwar Singh, Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Kanpur, Nana Sahib. Moving to 29th question. The sport Kambala is related to which Indian state? The sport Kambala is related to which Indian state? Answer: Karnataka. Kambala is an annual buffalo race held in Karnataka. Annual buffalo race. Recently, one man, Srinivas Gowda, covered 125-meter long Kambala track in 11.21 seconds. Srinivas Gowda covered 125-meter long Kambala track in 11.21 seconds. On calculating the speed versus distance, he covered 100 meters in just 8.96 seconds. Okay, Srinivas Gowda was termed as Usain Bolt of Kambala. Usain Bolt of Kambala. 30th question. Which constitution article talk about remedies? Which constitution article talk about remedies? Answer: Article 32. Here, both fundamental rights and writs are very important topic for SSC examinations. 31st question. Which player played most test matches? Which player played most test matches? Answer: Sachin Tendulkar. Oh, Master Blaster. Cricket records is an important topic. Cricket records, cricket awards. You should study records of Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and IPL. IPL is also an important topic from sports. 32nd question. What is Aryabhat? What is Aryabhat? Indian satellite launched at 19th April 1975. What is Aryabhat? Aryabhat was the first Indian satellite. Okay, Aryabhat was the first Indian satellite named after the famous astronomer. It was completely designed and fabricated in India. Okay, it was completely designed and fabricated in India and launched by a Soviet Cosmos 3M. Launched by Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket. Okay, what is the name? Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kasputin Yar. From Kasputin Yar. Aryabhatta launched by Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kasputin Yar. Here you should know some additional point. Which was the first communicate satellite of India? Apple was the first communication satellite. What is the full form of Apple? Aryan Passenger Payload Experiment. Aryan Passenger Payload Experiment. That is Apple. Okay. Launched at June 19th, 1981. Satellites launched by Aryan on June 19th, 1981. I think you all of us know about Chandrayaan 1. It was the first Indian lunar probe. It was the first Indian lunar probe under Chandrayaan program. It was launched by ISRO in October 2008. October 2008. The mission included a lunar orbitrand and impactor. A lunar orbitrand and impactor. Chandrayaan 2 is the second lunar exploration mission developed by our ISRO after Chandrayaan 1. Okay. Now Chandrayaan 3 is planned. Chandrayaan 3 is a planned third lunar exploration mission by ISRO. Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3. Okay, 33rd question. What is law of inertia? What is law of inertia? It is Newton's first law. What is Newton's first law? What is law of inertia? Law of inertia states that a body will preserve its velocity and direction. A body will preserve its velocity and direction so long as no force in its motion's directions act on it. So long as no force in its motion's directions act on it. Okay. What is law of inertia? A body will preserve its velocity and direction so long as no force in its motion's direction acts on it. Here you should study all laws of motions. Very, very important topic. 34th question. When was Pathway to God book published? Pathway to God. Who was the author of Pathway to God? Its answer 1971 by Mahatma Gandhi. It's a spirituality related book. Who was the author of Pathway to God? Gandhiji. Answer 1971. 35th question. Which are the Yamuna River city? Which are the Yamuna River city? Answer Delhi, Agra, Etawah, Mathura, Prayagraj, Faridabad. Delhi, Agra, Etawah, Mathura, Prayagraj, Faridabad. Here you should study riverside cities. Okay, riverside cities. Yamuna, Agra. The city located in the banks of Yamuna is Agra. Sarayu, Ayodhya. Okay. Alagananda, Badrinath. Ganga, Bhagalpur, Varanasi, Patna, Kanpur, Haridwar. City located at the banks of Yamuna. Which is a city located at the banks of Yamuna? Agra. Sarayu, Ayodhya. Alagananda, Badrinath. Ganga, Bhagalpur, Varanasi, Patna, Kanpur, Haridwar. Mahanadi, Katak, Sabalpur. Adyar, Chennai. You have heard about Adyar Film Institute. Okay. Falgu, Gaya. Gaya is an important place related to Buddhism. Chambal, Gwalior. Narmada, Jabalpur. Hooghly, Kolkata, which is a city located at the banks of Hooghly. It is very important, Kolkata. Krishna, Vijayawada. Brahmaputra, Dibruga, Guwahati. Kaveri, Tiruchirappalli, which is a city located at the banks of Kaveri, Tiruchirappalli. Jhelum, Srinagar, city located at the banks of Jhelum River, Srinagar. Oh, next question, Tapti. Next one, Tapti. Surat, city located at the banks of Tapti River, that is Surat. 36th question. What is the name of the first devotee of the personal Satyagraha? What is the name of the first devotee of the personal Satyagraha? Answer Vinoba Bhave. Here you should note who is the second person. Who is the second person for the personal Satyagraha? Who is the name of the second devotee of the personal Satyagraha? That is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 37th question. Greenland situated in which ocean? Greenland situated in which ocean? Answer Arctic Ocean. What is Greenland? Greenland is the world's largest island. Which is the world's largest island? Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island. It's an autonomy territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. Okay, located at Denmark. That is Greenland located in which country? Denmark. 30th question. When World Earth Day celebrates? 22nd April. April 22nd. 39th question. Who is the Deputy Commissioner of India? Who is the current Deputy Commissioner of India? Answer, Umesh Sinha. Umesh Sinha is the Deputy Commissioner of India. 40th question. Who is the Chief Vigilance Officer? Who is the Chief Vigilance Officer? Answer, Sanjay Kothari. Sanjay Kothari is the Chief Vigilance Officer. Here there are some important points on here. Some posts and the persons. Chairman of Rajya Sabha, M. Venkaiah Naidu. Chief Justice of India, Sharath Aravind Bobde. Who is the Chief Justice of India? Sharath Aravind Bobde. Lok Sabha Speaker, Om Birla. Om Birla is the Lok Sabha Speaker. Who is the leader of Lok Sabha? I think you all of us know, Narendra Modi. Who is the leader of Rajya Sabha? Tawarchand Gehlot. Tawarchand Gehlot is the leader of Rajya Sabha. Chief Information Commissioner, Yashwardhan Kumar Simha. Yashwardhan Kumar Simha is the Chief Information Commissioner. Director of RAW, Samant Goel. Samant Goel is the Director of RAW. Director of IB, Arvind Kumar. Arvind Kumar is the Director of IB. Director of ISRO, K. Shivan. K. Shivan is the Director of ISRO. Who is the Chairperson of National Commission for Women? Chairperson, National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma. Chairperson of Atomic Energy Commission. Who is the Chairperson of Atomic Energy Commission? K.N. Vyas. K.N. Vyas is the Chairperson of Atomic Energy Commission. CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General. Who is the current Comptroller and Auditor General? Girish Chandra Murmu. Girish Chandra Murmu. Who is the current Attorney General? K.K. Venugopal. Who is the Cabinet Secretary? Rajiv Gauba. Rajiv Gauba is the Cabinet Secretary. National Security Advisor. Who is the National Security Advisor? Ajit Doval. Ajit Doval is the National Security Advisor. Foreign Secretary, Harshvardhan Shringla. Harshvardhan Shringla is the Foreign Secretary. Who is the Revenue Secretary? Ajay Bhushan. Okay, Ajay Bhushan. Solicitor General, Tushar Mehta. Current Solicitor General, Tushar Mehta. Moving to 41st question. Who is the Napoleon of India? Who is known as Napoleon of India? Answer, Samudragupta. Samudragupta is the Napoleon of India. He was the ruler of the Gupta Empire of ancient India. Gupta Empire, ancient India. He was the son of Chandragupta first. Son of Chandragupta first. He is also known as Kaviraj. Is also an important one. Who is known as Kaviraj? It's also Samudragupta. Moving to 42nd question. After which Satyagraha was given the title of Sardar to Patel? After which Satyagraha was given the title of Sardar to Patel? That is Bardoli Satyagraha. Bardoli Satyagraha. Bardoli Satyagraha. It was a movement in the independence struggle led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, it was a movement in the independence struggle led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What was the intention? For the farmers of Bardoli against the unjust rising of taxes. Okay. In which soils do cashews grow? In which soils do cashews grow? Answer, sandy loam. Sandy loam, Goa. Next question. Revolution 2020. book written by? It is who is the author of Revolution 2020? Answer Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat is the author of Revolution 2020. Here, book and authors is an important portion for SSC CGL examinations. Book and authors. Next question. Who is the Minister of Rural Development India? Minister of Rural Development India. Who is the Minister of Rural Development India? Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar is the Minister of Rural Development in India. Next question. Who is the Chief Justice of Telangana? Who is the Chief Justice of Telangana? Answer Hima Kohli. Hima Kohli is the Chief Justice of Telangana. Justice Hima Kohli took charge as first woman CJ of Telangana on 7th January 2021. 7th January 2021. It was a recent appointment. That's why I asked here. Okay. You should note recent appointments. Who is the CJ of Jammu and Kashmir? Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir, Pankaj Mittal. Justice Pankaj Mittal was appointed as the CJ of Jammu and Kashmir on 3rd January 2021. Okay, this is very, very important. This is also latest appointment. Justice Pankaj Mittal. Justice Pankaj Mittal was appointed as the CJ of Jammu and Kashmir on 3rd January 2021. There was a recent appointment. Ubuntu is a Linux operating system. What is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is a Linux operating system. Okay. 47th question. Who said, who lives if India dies? Who lives if India dies? So it's a simple question. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, who lives if India dies? 48th question. According to the 2011 census, which state has the highest literacy rate? State with highest literacy rate. Answer Kerala. 49th question. Gandhisagar Dam is located at? Where is Gandhisagar Dam is located? Gandhisagar Dam is located at Chambal River. Where is Chambal River located? Located at Madhya Pradesh. Chambal River. Gandhisagar Dam is located at Chambal River. Next question. Where was Khelo India Youth Games 2021 held? Where was Khelo India Youth Games 2021 held? Khelo India Youth Games 2021 held at Haryana. Okay. Where was the Khelo India Youth Games 2021 held? At Haryana. Okay friends, here we have completed 50 questions. You can accept more previous SSC CHSL questions soon. Please subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Press the bell icon. Thank you.